Hi, my name is Lindy. This is my slide design project. For this project, I chose to use the brand Nike. For my original ad, I chose to use a football player, as you can see. I'm going to discuss some of the design elements, and the first one is repetition. The yellow lime color is repeated throughout the ad, as you can see here at the top and then here at the bottom. These lines on the wall are repeated on both sides of the ad, and the font is repeated here at the top and then at the bottom. The next element is typography, and I chose to use a sans serif font. And you can see that it's a sans serif font because there are no serifs anywhere, and there's no stress because there's no thick and thin, and there's also no thick and thin transition in the strokes. They're all the same width. The next element is color, and in this ad they have used the darker color around the edges here, and then it's lighter in the center, and this is so that this athlete stands out. And the colors are cool toned also, and that helps the athlete stand out also. And this yellow pops in the color pops in the ad, and then also on the athlete's outfit and on the logo here in the corner. For my new ad, I used the same color for the type. It's a little different, but it's the same yellow tone here at the top and the bottom, and I also used the same football player and the same team. And as you can see, this has the same consistency as the original ad. It has a similar color theme, a sports theme, and it has the same look and feel as the original ad. And with the first element, repetition, you can see these lights here in the background that are repeated, and also the yellow color is repeated throughout the ad in the athlete's uniform, and then here at the bottom with the logo, and at the top. The next element is typography, and I used the same a similar sans serif font. It's the same size, and then the logo's smaller down here at the bottom. And for the color, the background is dark so that the athlete stands out, and using the yellow throughout the ad also helps the athlete to stand out, along with the green because of the dark background. And I think that the ad I created right here is consistent with the original ad, as I pointed out with all the three elements, which were repetition, typography, and color. Thank you.